Hey, what's going on, my friend? Justin Temple here with a quick video 3 in this 5-day bootcamp series. And today we're going to talk about how to convert your email list into a loyal team who listens and follows directions, okay? So how do you actually turn your list into buyers and customers for your affiliate marketing business or for any business that you want to promote using online methods, okay? So today we're going to talk about the follow-up and what goes into how to actually convert your list, all right? So if you remember, day 1, we talked about the business model, which was this, okay? The traffic, which is, for me, YouTube, to a capture page, to an introduction video of me, and then to my offer. And then we're going to send emails to the people that did not purchase, which is going to be 99.9% of the people that come through here, right? Most people do not buy. Most people are going to get a few emails for a few days and then buy, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to get the conversion rate from 1% up to 5 to 10% over time with these emails, okay? So that's what we're going to do, and that's how you convert your list into customers, is you email them. And so let me go and show you my personal email autoresponder, okay? And I'm going to explain to you how to use an autoresponder a little more in depth. So please pay attention, okay? Now today I went ahead and sent out 2 emails related to video 2 in this series, okay? So I made this page today in this video today, and I sent it out to my list, okay? So here's those 2 emails that I sent out to my list pertaining to video 2, okay? And I'm just creating this boot camp and sending it out to my list for now, but what I'm going to do is it's going to be the first, some of the first 5 emails that I send to anyone that opts into my list. So I'm just, giving it to my list first, but that's not really what I care about. What I care about is making it and putting it into my autoresponder for the first few emails, okay? So, but anyways, what you do with an autoresponder is you're going to set up about, so let me explain this from the beginning for you very simply. When you get someone to enter their name and email, they're on your list. And so most people will send about 7 emails to their list, okay? Maybe 5. So that's not what you want to do. What you want to do is understand that people are going to take a lot of time to be able to buy, and you're going to want about 7 to 12 exposures. So this person, okay, so let's say there's this guy right here. Okay, so he's going to need 7 to 12 exposures before he actually makes a decision to buy, okay? And so that's why you're going to send a lot of emails. And if you send 7 emails to your list, so it's called an auto responder, okay? So it's auto, all right? So it's automatic. So I'm going to go and put auto right here. So you can set up 7 emails to automatically go out to your subscribers when they opt in. Or you can set up 10 or 20 or 30 or 40, as many as you want. So in order to create 7 to 12 exposures, if you only have 7 emails, that means that every lead needs to open and click every email, which doesn't happen. So you're going to need to increase your autoresponder from 7 emails to actually about 100 to 200 emails, okay? So that's really where you want to be. And I have an email autoresponder of 164, and I can actually go ahead and take these broadcasts that I've sent out and increase my autoresponder by about another 40 to 50 emails, putting it over 200 email autoresponders that automatically go out when someone enters their name and email. Okay, so most people are very lazy with this right here, so it's hard for them to get to 5 to 10% conversion rates. So what you want to do, so let's see, conversions. So right here, 5.5%. This was at 10%, and we got 25% here. We got 0.8% on a PDF, right? A PDF is almost at 1%, and everything else is over 1%. So most affiliate marketing programs, you're not going to get 1%. So getting 5% or more is very, very powerful. Okay? So we want to get into this range. And the way you do that is by never stopping your follow-up with your list. So rather than 7 emails, you actually want about 200 emails. Okay? It's hard for me to write on this. Oops, emails. Wow. Okay, it's going very poorly on there. So you want about 200 emails, okay? You want about 200 emails. So that way, you're giving people time to see your business and get through their life and save money. So a lot of people will be on your list for a year or 2 years before they buy. And that's just because they're going through something in their life. They get depressed, they don't have any money anymore, now they gotta figure things out, and then now they gotta save money, and then eventually they can have the money to get started. So people go through their own life struggles, so don't think that this is an industry where you're selling like a t-shirt, and if they don't buy the t-shirt, you can just get rid of them and they're, no one to you. Every person that opts into my list is someone very important because they're a person. And every person goes through their own struggles. And for example, there's programs that I'm going to join, but I'm not going to join them for a year or two for whatever reason. And that's just the way it goes. And most people are going to be like that on your list. So you just need to give them time. Only about 1% are going to join initially. The rest of the time, you're going to need to send them emails and get this conversion rate up higher. Okay? So what do you send your list to get sales? So let me go ahead and show you some examples before I end this video, because I'm sure you know about email autoresponders already. However, you may not know that in order to get to 7 to 12 exposures, you're actually going to need about 200 emails, because out of the people that open your email, only about 1% to 2% actually click through the email. So that's the actual exposure, not the open. Okay, so you're going to need a lot more emails. So I hope that makes sense. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to actually show you what kinds of emails to send to your list. So this right here is one of the best examples to send to your list, which is a value video or a value series of videos that you're sending to your list, that when they click on it, it goes to something that is going to help them before they actually get to see your business opportunity, right? So that's one of the best things to do to convert your email list, is actually send them valuable videos of you teaching them something, or talking about attraction marketing, or talking about email marketing, how you emailed them and they're watching this video and that's how easy this is, etc., things like that. Okay, so sending people to a page that you own, like this, with your video on it, is very, very powerful, with a button below to take action on your business opportunity. That's the best thing that you can do. Now, the next thing that I send out to my list is things like this. So personal income proof. Okay, so income proof of me making money in a particular day or week or month, and then sending them to my bridge video. So I don't, or actually this is one of my bridge videos. This is my giveaway bridge video. So there, and then we've got, let me go back here, boom. So that's a personal income proof, and then we've got other emails such as, I'll go ahead and ask people pain points, like tired of lazy sponsors, so like a lazy upline. Well, I talk about that, and I, bring out that pain point and say that I'm a good sponsor, whatever, and that I can help them get past having a bad sponsor. So talking about their pain points is something else. So we got value videos, we've got income proof, we've got questions, okay? We got questions about pain points, okay? We've got, let's see, what else? I mean, that's really it. And then I was going to say testimonials, right? Like testimonials of other people having success, right? So look, you love junk traffic, don't you, Justin? Like, it's just a question, you know? So, or I'll do like something crazy, like something outlandish, like endorsed by your mom, or something just weird, like 152 subscribers equals X amount of dollars, something like that. So 10 epic email marketing tips. You know, you can do like a bunch of, you know, content right here. You can do a bunch of tips, right? 4 or 5. So you can do, so that's how I convert my email list. Okay. Very easy. Very easy. I don't have to do a lot, and I can use other people's testimonials. I can use my income results. I can ask questions, or I can send value videos. Those are the main 4 things that I send to my list. What about stories? I just try to put stories in as much as I can anywhere. Like this one says, you don't want to succeed. Like I'm just kind of like I'm just calling people out on their bullshit and saying like, you know, if you wanted to be successful, you'd already be successful, or you'd already be working with me. Obviously, you don't care about yourself or your family. It's selfish to not be rich. You know, if I offended you, good, unsubscribe. Otherwise, take action. Prove that you're not a fake person who lies to themselves. And, you know, like, you know, what a waste of your life. A waste of your ancestors' sacrifice. Do you really want to be successful? You know, you can do that too. So that's like a 5th email, is kind of like calling people out and saying, hey, you know, what's going on? Why haven't you taken action? What, obviously you're not serious. Or, a 6th one would be like a final notice, right? Hey, we got 3 days left, or hey, 24 hours left, 12 hours left, 6 hours left, 2 hours left, 1 hour left. So those are like the 6 kind of emails that I use to convert my list, okay? Here we go. We got more. Ugly postcard, handsome wallet. That's for my offline program. So here's an offline email. So does program still work? Postcard marketing proof. Direct mail MLM. What if you mail 1,000 postcards? Is program newbie friendly? So like, you know, just questions and things like that. Very simple. It's not that hard to convert your email list into buyers. And the most important thing that you need to understand is that it's going to take time for people to buy, and you're only going to really be seeing this right here, but over time you're going to be seeing this. Okay, so you want to make sure that you take your time to let people get to know you. Try to send out stories, try to put out value videos, try to send people back to your YouTube channel. So that's another thing as well, is you can send people back to your YouTube videos and encourage your list to subscribe to your social platform. Okay, so that's another thing. Don't just use your list to make sales, use your list to build a social media platform as well, because that would be very beneficial, and people will get to know, like, and trust you much easier with less resistance on a social media platform, because that's where they're used to hanging out anyways. So very, very powerful to send people back to just a raw YouTube video. However, you can also increase the sales ability of that strategy by putting that YouTube video on your own page like this. So I do a mixture of all of that, and just keep going, and just keep doing all those things, and you'll be able to convert your list very easily. It's not that hard. And also, when I have a big autoresponder, I don't have to worry too much about broadcasting and keeping up with anything. So Have a wonderful day. Click the link down below, and I'll see you on the